Welcome to Euron guys, and this is an announcement video for a free project. So we have loaded a lots of free project, not one, two, but a 20 free project so far. Most of these projects are available in a generative AI. And yes, all of these projects you can try to practice and you can try to modify it according to your need, and then you can try to write it down inside your resume, or maybe you can try to showcase this as your work. That's completely fine for us. So here we have a project in ML ops, we have a project in generative AI. So whether it's generative AI with AWS or LLM powered app, or maybe with RAG Vertex AI, with everything guys, you all will be able to find out the projects over here, and every project is amazing. Believe me, all of these projects are completely free. Yes, we are going to bring some of the paid projects as well going forward in a future, but not in a it will not take much time, but yeah, very soon we are going to bring all of these projects. But as of now, as a community service, we have released all of this project on this platform so that you can go and you can enjoy projects. We are trying to keep it as a small the project which is available in a community version, because there are many people who come over here and then they say that I'm just aware about the basics. So for them we are providing these particular projects, so those who are trying to explore a very basic stuff, so that they will be able to enhance their knowledge, they will be able to enhance their capabilities. So please go over here guys, do explore all of these free projects which is available to you, and then let me know about your review, about your feedback. Hope all of you are going to enjoy it. With that, thank you so much everyone.